Do you know how to reinstall a bluestar oven door so that the hinges catch properly? The bluestar video online is of no help. BC. We have different hinges on this door.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is XXXXX I look forward to helping you. If your door does not have the folding hinge locks, you likely have holes in the hinges that you insert a screw into to lock the hinges. Do you see a hole in the hinge that a small screw or nail would fit in? No. The hinges fold. There is a separate small piece that gets screwed into the oven frame that locks the hinge in place after it is properly placed. Can I post pictures of the hinge here for you to see? One problem is that the hinge folds while we are trying to get the door in place. At one point, we got the door in and it worked great, except the piece that locks it in did not fit back on. It seemed like the hinge had to settle in deeper, so we took the door off again and are back to square one. Are you continuing to help on this issue, BC? So far I am still waiting for instructions from you. I am a bit confused, BC. I have been charged $28 so far. The hinges on the door were changed with the new door last year. The original hinges would get stuck, preventing the door from opening. bluestar updated the hinges and sent us a new set with a new door last year. The new door was sent because the old door had to be pried off by a technician. These new hinges do not have a screw to lock them and they do fold. We just cannot get the door to hang right. There must be a trick to it. If you cannot help, please let me know. Thank you. I come on late on Sundays, sorry for the delay. Yes, if you can post a picture, that would be helpful.
I understand. So, there was a hole to put a screw in, but the hole was not visible unless I overextended the hinge past 90 degrees with my foot so it doesn't snap back up. I inserted screws on both hinges and was able to move it around until it caught in the right places. Now the door is on properly, but the piece that locks the hinge in place, a separate grooved plate that screws into the frame, does not fit properly. It is not flush to the oven frame unless I tilt the screw and force it in at an angle. Seems like the hinge needs to drop a bit. Can I leave it not flush with the screw crooked? Door works, but bothers me that it is not exactly like it was before we took the door off. How do I attach a picture to this reply box?
It should drop into place so the retainer fits nicely. Does the door appear to bind at all? At the top of the text box, there will be a tree icon or a paper clip icon for adding pictures. The door is not binding.
Picture to follow.
Thank you. Sorry, it did not come through. You can upload to www.tinypic.com and send me the link, too. That may be easier.
I cannot get it to upload to TinyPic. Trying to figure it out. Okay. It finally uploaded to tinypic.com. Hopefully you can see it.
Sorry you are having trouble. You can send it talks at XXXXX 30 if that is easier. It may take a bit to get to me.
I sent a second reply saying I did finally upload it to tinypic.com. Sorry for the delay.
I see it now, sorry about that. Can you send me the download link?
What is the download link? I uploaded a JPEG photo to tinypic.com from my desktop pictures.
Okay, so you will need to share it and it will create a download link that you can send. I need that link to be able to go to that picture.
http://tinypic.com/r/ya59by3/8.
Perfect. It looks like there is a gap that is not supposed to be there when the hinge is locked into place. If you remove the retainer, can you get the door to drop down anymore?
We will try. We will get back to you probably in a couple hours and let you know. I cannot take it apart at the moment. Feeding my kids. I did try to get it down when I first noticed that the lock piece didn't fit. I'll try again.
Sure, just reply when you can, thank you.
We can't get it past the point in the picture. The door is on and closed. We may have to call a tech to come out and check it out. We will keep trying. I do not think there is anything else you can do. Thank you for your time and for pointing out the hole for the screw to lock the hinge open.
Well, at least you are able to use it now, so we made a little progress. Thank you. XXXXXX Good evening.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.